Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Edge ONT. First, gather your ONT device and its power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the ONT, then into a wall outlet. Watch for the power indicator light to illuminate, confirming the device is receiving electricity. This initial step is crucial for a successful setup, ensuring your ONT is ready for the next connections. Next, carefully insert the fiber optic cable into the ONT's designated optical port. Be gentle to avoid damage. Then, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to a LAN port on your ONT and the other end to the WAN port on your home router. Check that the LAN and optical indicator lights on the ONT are active, signaling a proper connection. Now, open a web browser on a connected device and navigate to your router's administration page. You'll need to enter your internet service provider's specific WAN settings, which might include a username and password. Once configured, save your changes and then test your internet connection by browsing a website or streaming a video. This confirms your ONT and router are communicating effectively. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your ONT and router can often resolve them. Also, double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are securely seated in their respective ports. Sometimes a loose cable is the culprit. For more tips and to find great deals, including the Owala water bottle mentioned, check the link in the description below. Staying hydrated is key, and a reliable water bottle helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.